How to buy COSMO token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the community index. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 12 hours ago and increased by 9,000% in less than 4 hours. To be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, now go to your wallet. And from the top right corner, click in and make sure to select the base network. After that, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token, but before going and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that risk. And if you are ready to go, just click on this plus icon and add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and click on this search icon and paste it, and you can search it here, as you can see, COSMO, by typing COSMO. So after you find it, just click on it. Now click in on swap, switch from here, and as you can see, from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy. It, for example, is ET, and now you can type in how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy COSMO token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.